like this cupboard toy you have at your home, but I will teach you how to make like this cupboard from cardboard. See friends, first we will need cardboard. Which this size only cardboard we will need. I will show you. Friends, see, this is the cardboard size we will need. See, this cupboard also can come in this one. And friends, from like this cupboards you can get hurt because they are from metal, but from cardboard you will not get any hurt. So we will make the door first. I will show you the door. Friends, this is the door. Now I will fix it. See friends, I have attached the door and I have made some like this. And this is not stick, so I will stick this. Friends, this is the cupboard. It's ready now. Here is space, here is, and here is. And I will close the door now. It is looking nice or not, friends? You can also make like this cupboard. Friends, this is the cupboard from metal, and this is the cardboard one. I have made that. And friends, from like this cupboard you can get hurt. So you can make like this cupboards and keep your small things in this cupboard. So please watch this video till end. Like this video, subscribe to our channel